What up, YouTube? Back with another video. Hope everybody's doing fine. I'm doing okay. This is my Jardine arowana right here. Just chilling in its 220. It's a 220 gallon aquarium. He's almost 2 feet long. I had him for about almost a year. I got him when he was a baby. Paid like 150 bucks for him. Nice fish. Yeah, look at that yawn. See, he knew he was on video. That's why he did that. Alright, got him on pellets. That's a female RTM cichlid. Got to rehome her because the Jardine will kill her if she comes out. So definitely got to do that. I got a clown loach in here, which the Jardine gets along with just fine. There's the clown loach right there. It's a nice size clown loach too. Had that for about a year also, but it's a few years old, so it's a good size. It's about 5 inches, probably 6 inches. It's a big clown loach. Let me shoot this tank from the side. It's 6 feet long, 2 feet wide, and almost 3 feet tall. With the wooden stand, it's 5 feet tall, a little over 5 feet tall. The filtration, I got 2 Fluval FX6s and an Aqua Clear 110. There's one Fluval FX6, the output and intake right there. The AC 110 right there, and then the output and the intake right there. I just took off the bottom. I took off the bottom piece because of the gravel. See? But I am gonna take out that gravel though. And I am gonna tile the bottom of this tank. I've tiled my other tanks and looks really clean, really good look, so that's what I'm gonna do. And this is just a quick update. Hope everybody enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Later.